Minimalist jewelry has become a favorite for so many people, and honestly, it is easy to see why. Whether you love dressing up or prefer a clean, simple look, minimal pieces blend into your everyday life effortlessly. When someone walks into local jewelry stores, searches for jewelry near me, or browses through different jewelry stores in Arcadia, they often end up gravitating toward minimalist designs without even realizing it. Something is comforting and beautiful about elegant pieces without being loud. Minimalist jewelry focuses on soft lines, delicate movements, and simple shapes. It allows your natural features and your personal style to take center stage. And with the rise of modern fashion, minimal pieces have become staples for anyone searching for timeless jewelry, especially those looking for jewelry in Arcadia or exploring the nearest jewelry shops in their area. If you are curious about why minimalist jewelry continues to dominate the fashion world, here is a look at what makes it such a smart, stylish, and lasting choice. The beauty of subtle simplicity. There is something special about simplicity. Minimalist jewelry gracefully highlights small details without overwhelming your look. A thin band can feel delicate but meaningful. A tiny pendant can feel intentional without shouting for attention. People often start their search by typing jewelry near me or walking into jewelry stores, hoping to find pieces that feel effortless. Minimalist jewelry is perfect for that. It gives you a soft, polished glow without taking away from your outfit or personality. Even shoppers browsing jewelry stores in Arcadia for the first time often fall in love with minimalist pieces because they feel refreshing and easy to style. These designs are simple but never boring. A timeless look that never feels outdated. Minimalist jewelry has a timeless quality that makes it a smart investment. While bold trends come and go, clean and simple styles remain classic year after year. This is one of the biggest reasons customers shopping for jewelry in Arcadia choose minimalist pieces. They want something that will stay relevant even as their wardrobe or tastes change. Delicate gold chains, soft stacking rings, and simple diamond studs look elegant no matter how you style them. They work for every season, every age, and every occasion. Even people shopping for special moments who search for the nearest jewelry stores often end up choosing minimalist designs because they are elegant, thoughtful, and versatile. Easy to layer, stack, and personalize. Minimalist jewelry is incredibly easy to play with. You can stack rings, layer multiple necklaces, or mix and match different simple earrings. Because each piece is understated, layering never feels overwhelming. Many shoppers visit jewelry stores specifically to build a layered look that reflects their personality. And if you have browsed jewelry stores in Arcadia recently, you may have seen how popular layering has become. With minimalist pieces, you can create your own style, make subtle statements, or keep things soft and simple. Minimalist jewelry gives you the freedom to customize your look without ever feeling too much. Works with every outfit in your closet. One of the best things about minimalist jewelry is how effortlessly it works with everything you wear. A thin chain adds a touch of shine to a t-shirt. A simple bracelet looks chic during a work meeting. Small hoops or studs make your face light up without taking over your entire look. People searching online for jewelry near me or visiting in-person jewelry stores often want pieces that are practical for daily wear. Minimalist jewelry makes getting dressed easier because it never clashes with your outfits. It blends in beautifully while still elevating your overall look. Comfortable for all-day wear. Minimalist jewelry feels light and comfortable, which makes it perfect for daily life. Chunky pieces can sometimes feel heavy or get in the way. Minimalist designs, however, move with you. They feel natural on your skin and rarely need adjusting. This is another reason why shoppers who visit the nearest jewelry shop or browse jewelry in Arcadia often choose smaller, simple pieces. Comfort matters, especially for jewelry you want to wear every day. And if you ever need a quick polish, cleaning, or resizing, minimalist jewelry is easy for any trusted Arcadia jewelry repair shop to work on. The repairs are usually simple and affordable, easy to care for and repair. Minimalist jewelry is not just beautiful, it is also practical. Because the designs are simple, maintenance is easy. A quick polish or gentle cleaning is often enough to make your piece look brand new again. Customers who search for jewelry repair around me or Arcadia Jewelry Repair often bring in minimalist pieces because they are easier to fix than complex, heavy designs. Whether it is a small clasp repair or ring resizing, most repairs take minimal time at a reputable Arcadia jewelry repair shop. Minimalist pieces stay beautiful for years with very little effort. A gift that never misses. Minimalist jewelry also makes fantastic gifts. You do not need to guess someone's fashion preferences because simple pieces look good on everyone. Whether it is a birthday, anniversary, graduation, or a holiday, minimalist jewelry always feels meaningful and versatile. People often visit jewelry stores in Arcadia or search for the nearest jewelry options when they want a thoughtful gift. Minimalist designs make the process much easier because they are universally flattering and timeless. Loved by Arcadia shoppers more than ever. If you have been exploring jewelry in Arcadia or browsing different jewelry stores in Arcadia, you may have noticed an increase in minimalist displays. More people are choosing simple pieces because they align with modern fashion trends, busy lifestyles, and clean aesthetics. Even customers visiting an Arcadia jewelry repair shop for repairs often discover new minimalist pieces and decide to add them to their collection. Minimalist jewelry is more than a trend. It is a look that mirrors simplicity, intention, and elegance. Find your minimalist favorites at Dorano Jewelry. If you are ready to explore minimalist jewelry or want to refresh your collection, Dorano Jewelry is the perfect place to visit. As one of the most trusted jewelry stores in Arcadia, we carry a thoughtful selection of minimalist necklaces, rings, bracelets, and earrings that blend effortlessly with every style. Dorano Jewelry is also a top choice for anyone searching for jewelry repair around me, Arcadia Jewelry Repair, or a dependable Arcadia Jewelry Repair shop. Our team is known for its attention to detail, precision, and genuine care for each piece that comes through its doors. Whether you are shopping for beautiful minimalist pieces or need reliable jewelry service, Dorano Jewelry has you covered. Your next favorite piece might be waiting for you right there.